Hey guys, I'm here today because I'm gonna finally review this Chi Air or Chi Air, whichever way, I don't know, somebody, if you want to correct me, just the Chi Air Expert. It's a classic tourmaline ceramic hairstyling iron, a 1-inch thick. Okay, if you want, you could pause the video and you can read the specs on this bad boy. It's in liquid gold and it comes with a free thermal mat, which I find that to be awesome because I'm always looking for like a rag or a t-shirt or something to sit it on so it won't slide off of the table while I'm using it, but at the same time it starts to burn the fabric while it's laying on there sometimes, and you can smell it, you know, like if it tilts to the side. So we're gonna open this bad boy up. I just finished, washing my hair. As you can see, my shirt is wet, and I finished washing my face. I need to seriously do my eyebrows, but I haven't had time for that. They need some shaping and some serious grooming. But I'm going to open this, and my hair is wet, so I will be drying it with this. I'm not gonna wait for it to dry. I'm gonna part it into fours. Part down the middle, part across, and I start from the back. So I will set that up because right now I'm just soaking some of the water out of my hair. And I'm gonna plug this bad boy in and let it heat up, even though it says it heats up pretty quickly. 30-second heat up time, so let's see. Okay, so I'm gonna turn it on. So turn it on here on the first button. Click it up, see the red light. Now here on the sides, see it tells you inside on off, so up. So this is the lowest setting, 180. We're gonna get it up there. It's a 410. Goes to 410. It's blinking. Woo. I'll leave it there. Ooh, it's hot already. Oh my God, how did that happen so quickly? 30 seconds, they ain't lie. I think that's before 30 seconds. It is hot. Hold on, you girls. It came with this. The how to get the look. Comes with a little booklet. How to get the certain looks. Oh, this is very informative. I like that. So, sorry, this is all bent out of shape from being in the box, but see, we just went through that. Oops, sorry, I'm trying to do this way. And here are the different styles using the iron. Blah, blah, blah. Shows you step by step how to do it. So, okay. I'm gonna get started in a minute. Okay, so I just took the towel off. And it's kind of like curled up right now. Yeah. Actually looks nice. But anyway, we're gonna brush this out. Sadly, I use this brush and I start from the bottom. This is my Milta's brush. It's hard. Don't want to get cracked in the head with this one. But this brush is not breaking. This brush is expensive too. Alright, my hair's thin, so, and it's still wet, so it's easy to flow through it with the brush. More so than you hear it pop a little bit, yeah. But if I use this, it gets more caught in there. I'll use this to part. So, like I mentioned earlier, we want to part in the center. So, doesn't have to be perfect. Just try to get it down the middle, all the way to the back of your neck. Separate it. Okay, you part it. You can leave this side like this if you want, just to keep the moisture and keep it rolled up. Okay, I could just use this hair tie. Hold this down. Trinity, can you do me a favor and get me 2 hair clips from the room? And she's over here being a good girl. She's coloring and being creative.
What do you need again?
2 hair clips.
2 hair.
I still need the hair clips for this. Thank you, Mom. So I've got the hair clips. I'm gonna hold this down. Just really like out the way. Now this is this section in the back, half the section. And what I do is I start from down here, take a big piece. My hair is pretty thin. I take the brush and brush it out. And let's get started. Hot. Gotta remember it's drying it at the same time, so it's not the same like if it's already dry. It would just instantly smooth. It's doing 2 things at once. No, but it is very smooth. I don't hear, oh nice. I don't hear the popping like I do with my other one. Yeah, a little bit because drying it. But with my other flat iron, my hair was popping off because of the crack in the plates inside of the iron. I like my hair very bone straight when I flat iron it, and I might give it a little at the tips. If your hair is kind of dry at the ends, that turn kind of helps the hair look a little healthier. Ooh, by my ear there a little bit. Ooh, it's hot. It's getting too hot for me to rub the hair down. Okay, so this is it, you guys. I'm going to finish up this half of my head, show you guys, and then do the other half, show you the product. And I'm also gonna do a makeup look, so stay tuned. Okay guys, so this is just 1/4 of my hair, the back part, and I might say it looks very nice, very straight. As you can tell, I don't have a lot of hair. I wasn't lying. It's very thin, so this is 1/2. This is the back of my head. Okay, now I'm gonna do the other side. Got one more piece to go. So far, it is looking pretty straight, and it's taking much less time than with my last flat iron, definitely. And I love the way it feels. It's so smooth. I have no product in my hair whatsoever. This is just shampoo and conditioner, and not even the best shampoo, if you know what I mean. So this is the finished product with the Chi Air. It's a very nice flat iron. I like the way it left my hair. I did put on a few drops of the argan oil of Morocco from Organics. Okay, and just to bring down the flyaways from using my old flat iron, which was popping my hair, so some of the hairs were not full length. Hopefully now using this flat iron, because it was such a smooth process, my hairs will grow back and those flyaways will go away. I do need to trim my ends a little, but you could barely tell with how smooth, okay, this made my hair because of the flow. So if you have dry ends, I always recommend you grab it and give it a little turn at the ends. And it gives it a little more. Don't look scurry. It don't look like straw. All right, ladies, so you can see the flow of the hair. Okay, mention I don't have a lot of hair. It's very deceiving. My hair has grown a bit, so my hair is down there. Okay. Yeah. Yes, darling. I'm gonna do my makeup next to complete this look.